This is a boat that came in and it sunk. And the insurance company wanted us to go ahead and float it and see if we could find out where the leak was. That was me just tripping something on the top of the water right there, you saw. But we've been out here for about an hour. They said they wanted us to put it in for an hour or so and see if we figure out where the leak was. But that's when we backed it in, that's how much water was in it. We've been out here about an hour and nothing's changed. Don't hear any leaks in the back, don't see any leaks. Everything seems to be dry, so I don't know of any reason to pad the clock much more. So I think we're just going to go ahead and pull her out and say there's no obvious leaks that we can find.